Welcome. In this video, we will learn the follow the leader dance. Let's begin. Start with your feet together and we're gonna go to our right with our right foot. We step to the right, then left, then right, left, right, left. We're gonna count to 6. Again, with our right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy, easy peasy. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we are gonna clap 7 and 8. 3 times, 7 and 8. Again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are gonna place our left hand on our waist and the right outstretched. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's do the same thing to the left. Left hand outstretched, right on the waist, counting till 6 and then 7 and 8. Start and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it again. Left foot first. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's combine the right and the left. Start with the right and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We need to do these moves 4 counts of 8. So let's do this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4. You need to match these moves on the lyrics. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Let's try it. And follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. The next move is very simple. We just listen to the music and the music will tell us what to do. After we finish here, 7 and 8, the lyrics tells us hands up. So we put our right foot to the right and the hands up. Then down, down, up, up, down, down. But we need to match the song and we have to do up the same time with the music, down, up, down. Then the lyrics are gonna say, now everybody put one hand in the air. So you're gonna put your right hand in the air. I'm using my left, you use your right. Then when he says left, you are gonna switch to your left hand. Then right in the song, right and left, left, right, right, matching the song. Then double time, left, right, left, right, left, right. On this part, we're gonna use both hands and we're gonna go to side to the left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then when follow the leader begins again, we're gonna go to our right with the moves you already know. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Now let's do what we learned with music. Everybody now, put your hand in the air. One hand in the air. And we go from left to right. One more thing, when we are switching hands here, left and right, use your waist and step in place and move your waist when we are switching hands left and right. The next move is jump to the left in the song, jump to the right. We are gonna jump in place facing the left and the right side. From this position, jump to the left in place but facing the left side. And with our hands, we're gonna do this, the train move. Now, jump to the right, jump to the left, jump to the right, jump to the left. Easy. Next move, clap, clap and wave, and clap and wave. Then follow the leader repeats again 4 times, follow the leader, 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 follow the leader, and then the finish. The finish, we just stop with our legs apart and we are gonna listen and listen to the song. And the song says, I love Soha, then we repeat. I love Soha again. I love Soha, I love Soha, I love Soha, I love Soha. Then everybody scream. Hey! Everybody screams and this is the finish. Now repeat after me. You're repeating after me. Everybody repeat after me. Watch me. Say I love soda. I love soda. 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 Now somebody, everybody scream. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned the dance. If not, don't worry, you just need some more practice and you will get it. So have fun dancing it and see you in the next one.